Good day to Madam Yeposi and my fellow viewers. I'm DJJ40153 MORGAM and my metric number is 01DKM20F1087. My team member is Ezhilchelvam PONNUSAMY and his metric number is 01DKM20F1090. We are from DKM4C and we are representing Group 5. Today, we are here to present about pneumatics circuit design, which is on development of multiple cylinder circuits. Now, let's move on to the slides. I'm going to talk about the sequence control for numerous cylinder. First, we will move on to the coordinated motion. In majority of the pneumatics application, more than one cylinder is used. The movement of the cylinders are coordinated as per the required sequence. And the following are the points. Now, let's head to the sequence movement. As you can see, there is two cylinders, cylinder A and cylinder B. Cylinder A has two things to note, A1 and A0. A1 representing extension in cylinder A and B0 representing contraction in cylinder A. While in cylinder B, B1 representing extension in cylinder B, B0 representing contraction in cylinder B. PB represents start button. Moving on, there is displacement step diagram. In order to develop control circuitry for multi-cylinder application, it is necessary to draw the motion diagram to understand the sequence of actuation of various signal input, switches, limit switches, and sensors. Motion diagram represents status of cylinder position, whether extended or retracted in a particular step. Now, example of the motion diagram. As you can see, these are the example for cylinder A and cylinder B. And on the right side, there is the motion for every cylinder with explanation what is happening for the motion diagram. And here is another example of the motion diagram. That is all from me, and I will hand over the presentation to Ezhilchelvam.
Thank you, DJJ40153. Now I'm going to explain the circuit solution for overlapping signal. The first solution is roller level valve with idle-rated solution. Roller level type means which give a mechanical signal which can be sensed in both direction movement of piston rod cap. Idle-rated lower level switch with mechanical signal due to acceleration of roller only in one direction. This is conveniently used in single elimination. An idle-rated roller level valve consists of a 3-2 DCB fitted with an idle-rated roller mechanism. If you see on the right, you can see the diagram for roller level limit switch and idle-rated roller level limit switch. Moving on to the second solution, which is reversing valve solution, also known as cascade. First of all, we need to list the cylindrical action sequence. Next, we need to partition into group such that no letter is repeated in any group. The aim is to minimize the number of a group. The group can be A+, B+, A-, and B-. If the last group has no letter in common with the first, it can be merged into first group. Each cylinder has to be double active. Each cylinder is controlled by 5-2 valve actuated on both ends pneumatically. Pneumatic valve actuation line, also called as pilot lines. Each cylinder is associated with two limit valves, one each at the plus and minus position. Each group is assigned a manifold line. A manifold line is simply a tube with multiple outlets. When the group is active, the manifold line associated with that is pressurized. At all other time is open to the atmosphere. Moving on, the manifold line connects to the limit valve associated with the cylinders. This ensures that the pilot valve, or known as the 5-2 valve, never get contradictory signals. Both the pilot lines of the valve are never at the same pressure. The air pressure in the manifold is controlled by 5-2 valve called group valve. The total number of group valve is one less than the total number of group. I think that is for our topic today. Thank you.